All right, so today we're checking out this really nice makeup organizer bag. So this is a perfect bag that you can take when you're going on vacation and you want to be able to take all your makeup, even some jewelry, things like that. This is the perfect bag for it. So you've got a big space on the top. When you unzip this, it actually opens up wider. So as you unzip it, you can make it go full, and then you just kind of bend the sides in when you're done and it will zip back up. But then you have a bottom part here, which is my favorite part, honestly. You've got tons of storage in here. So you've got a little zip right here that has a mesh bag. So you can put some stuff in here. This middle part is detachable. And then on the other side, you've got another zipper with a clear thing so you can see through it. But this part's nice too because you can take it out and then you can store your makeup brushes in here. So it's got all these spots that you can slide your makeup brushes in. You've even got like a little lid here as well. So really great for organizing and having all of your stuff in here when you're going on vacation. So let me go ahead and put some makeup in here and I'll show you what it looks like when it's full. All right, so on this side, I kind of have some necklaces in there. I've got some earrings on here. And then in this middle part, you open it up and I can put so many things. I've got eyeliner, I've got lipstick, lip liner, just different little tiny brushes, things like that. And then in this main area, I'm able to put all of my foundations, my sprays, my blush, just all sorts of different things. So this is a really good bag for travel. So if you've been looking for something that you can take, that you can store everything in, that has all these fun different compartments, I would definitely recommend getting this. So shout out to the company, and yeah, I would highly recommend this bag.